Welcome back. It is now confirmed that the leopard at Tishem-Borim was shot dead. Post-mortem report infers that the wildcat was killed using a country-made gun. Prudent had expressed this doubt in its special report. Forest officials have now registered a case against unknown under Wildlife Protection Act. In the last 1 year, 8 leopards have died unnatural death, but not a single case has been solved as yet.
Leopard killings are on rise in the state. The post-mortem on the carcass of the leopard at Tishem-Borim infers that the leopard was killed using country-made gun. Prudent had raised the doubt on the same day of the incident, though some of the locals were claiming that the leopard died due to a fall. The injuries indicate bullet marks.
Post-mortem, the cause is that is found is gunshot at the right shoulder. And they come like lead due to shock and blood and the melamon. They are investigating. My police informed that will be collecting now.
Gun country made.
Forest officers say they will now intensify patrolling in the forest area.
Patrolling intensified. Patrolling at least twice a week night patrolling, and that is all of a sudden.
In last 1 year, 8 leopards have died unnatural death in Madhe, Khotigaon and Ponda area. Earlier, a tiger was killed in jungles of Keri Sattari. However, forest officials are not been able to crack a single case as yet. Vivek Prabhu for Prudent.
Indian Bureau of Mines registration is not mandatory for the bidders who are taking part in the e-auctioning of the extracted iron ore. Goa Mines and Geology Department has amended Goa Rules 2013 to allow interested parties to take part in the e-auctioning. Training session for the bidders of e-auctioning is scheduled on Thursday at Entertainment Society of Goa.
Department of Mines and Geology has amended Goa Prevention of Illegal Mining, Storage and Transportation of Minerals Rule 2013. Under this act, Department has allowed any interested bidder to take part in e-auctioning of extracted iron ore. Companies or bidders who intend to take part in e-auctioning is not required to be registered with the Indian Bureau of Mines. Earlier, registration with Indian Bureau of Mines for companies was mandatory. The amendment reads, provided also that no registration as aforesaid will be insisted only for participating in e-auction of excavated mineral ore lying in different mines or stockyards or jetties or ports in the state of Goa whenever government desires to sell ore as a special measure. Training session on e-auction will begin from Thursday at Entertainment Society of Goa. 2 representatives each of bidders are allowed to attend the training session. The training will be imparted by team of MSTC Corporation. Login ID and password for bidders will be provided after the training session. Reporter Mahesh Gadi for Prudent.
City Corporation of Panji has decided to lease the licenses for city market shops. Mayor Surendra Furtado says this policy will help to avoid probable misappropriation. Mayor said government should acquire Comunidad land at Merces and develop it as exhibition venue. Carnival this year will be celebrated by the CCP. Mayor said 3 days carnival will be organized at Miramar with an attraction of 2 special floats from Rio, Brazil.
Instead of lease deed, we are going to have legal license. For that, I have come to the corporation meeting and I have taken the concurrence for which they have given. From Friday onwards, we'll start. But I can assure you that there will be no hira-feri. At least I'm there. Only the original tenants will will sign the deed with us. He said, I am the mayor and I decide for my city. And that CCP will organize the parade. Carnival is on 1st till 4th March. And for 3 days, we will have a big function on Miramar Beach for 3 days. I am in touch with the Brazilian embassy to send me at least 2 floats from Rio for the carnival. BJP function in Mauritius. Whether he can speak to the comunidad, whether they can acquire it and have a permanent place there. And if that thing happens, even the surrounding villages, Mauritius, Santa Cruz, Ribandar, they will have business like, guest houses, restaurants, barber shops, bars, tailoring. This will be an ancillary unit for those people there.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.